Wow. They sell water for us for here. See you. They sell water for us. See. Water. Water.
They don't go see water.
They sell water for food. I see cars. See.
This is water. This is water. This is water. Make us inside the tank. Make us inside my tank. See. Just come on that thing. Okay. See. Use your hand touch him. Inside the tank. Just touch him inside the tank. See. Water. Most filling stations, this is what they do. They sell water for you instead of fuel. Then you take it home and probably discover later that your engine is having a problem. Just imagine, I'm sure this thing, we just bought for this is Sunday. Look, this is Sunday. What date is today, sir? 15 Sunday March. See, and we are going to Lagos. Imagine that this thing has stopped from Express. What would that happen? See, this is water. See, they have been losing other people. See, you can see there. That one is also losing.